Now let's look at how to find mean and standard deviation when we are given deviations. Okay, so knowing the deviations d1, d2, d3 up to dn from assuming, okay, so from a given assuming a of a data, so the mean, once you have all the deviations and you actually find the mean, is given by the given assuming plus summation of all the deviations over number of deviations. Okay, so when we have, let's say, d1, d2, d3, d4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. My n is 4, and we need to find the total. Okay, we need to sum all the deviations. So d1 plus d2 plus d3 plus d4, that will occupy this position, and a will be given. So this is a, and the standard deviation will be, so we need this one, summation of d over n minus summation of d over n, so that we square this side and square everything. Okay, so that is that. So let's take example. Okay, so let's observe this. If the deviation of a set of numbers from 9, so let's observe this. So knowing the deviations from, okay, from assuming, so from 9 here is given as a, so my a is 9. Okay, and I have the deviations here, so I can form a table. Okay, so we have d deviation, so let's list them. We have 3, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, and 2. Okay, so let's find the total number of deviations, summation of d. So 4, 6, minus 1, that is 5. Okay, so remember the mean is given by a plus summation of d over n. My n here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not part, so be very careful. N is 5. So to find the mean is simply 9 plus summation of d, 5 over 5. So 5 over 5 is 1 plus 9 is 10. So the mean is 10 here. So we are done with this system. That was the standard deviation. The standard deviation is given by square root of summation of d squared over n minus summation of d over n all squared. Remember, we need to create a column for d squared, okay? So this side will be d squared. So 3 squared is 9, 1 squared 1, 0 squared 0, negative 1 squared 1, and 2 squared 4. So we need summation of d squared, 10, 11, 15. Okay, so we have 15 as summation of d squared. So from here, 15 and n is 5. Summation of b is here is 5 over n is 5. So this side is 3, 5, 3, 15, minus, so 1 squared is 1. So we have square root of 2. Is that alright? So when you have deviation, when you ask to find the mean and set deviation, that's it. Okay. Thanks for watching.